Have you ever wondered how the Ecobubble works on Samsung washing machines? Well, keep watching, and you're watching Skin Tech and Appliances. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So, if nobody is familiar with Ecobubble and how it works, I'll just quickly explain. So, in the machine there is an air generator, obviously including the pump. And then what it does in the air generator, obviously with the combination of water and detergent, obviously creates bubbles. So what I'm going to quickly do is put this into service mode, and I will show you how it all actually works. There we are, all lit up like a Christmas tree. So I'm going to quickly put it into TST, which is test. Hang on, let me quickly shut the door. It should close itself and go into TST. Not too sure why, but put a little bit of Ariel in there and we'll right, now I've got it into test mode. Right, so let me quickly sit down. And so what I'm going to quickly do is, obviously when you put it into test mode, one of the buttons here, and I think it's this one, I'm going to fill it up with water. Oh, don't know what's happened there. Hang on a sec. Hang on, give me a second. I'll make sure that the door locks. So obviously you can't use any of it. So yeah, just give me a sec. So again, quickly put it back into test mode. So yeah, now the door's locked. So we're going to do quickly fill it up with water. Just want to make sure I don't get like a layer of water, and there is a reason why. So let me see if I can get the pump going. May not have enough water. Because we've got a little bit of water, hopefully this should work. It may be because of the position of the drum, it may not allow me to. So I'm just going to put it into spin mode. Actually, no, put it back on test. See, oh, there we go. Yep. As you can see, there's a little bit of water in there, and then what happens obviously is it's circling through, and obviously it's creating the bubbles, and you've got a little bit of bubbles at the back there as well. It's because of the position of the drum, obviously it's not going through the holes, and you could just about see going through some other part of the bubbles, the holes, just about here where my finger is. So I'm just going to, and then that's exactly how it all works. It stopped now because obviously the door decided to unlock itself. But yeah, there's only a little bit of water, but obviously now you've got some bubbles. Obviously it does keep it going. Obviously I know it's like, I was expecting bubbles to come through, as in bubbles, and not like mixed with water. But yeah, so that's exactly kind of how it works. And obviously, yeah. So I'm going to try and see if I can get the pump going back again. No, I can't seem to do it, but yeah, it doesn't seem to there because I'm having trouble getting the door lock back on. But anyways, yeah, so that's kind of a little bit of a brief demonstration on how Ecobubble works. So anyways, don't forget, I will position myself, don't forget to hit the like, and if you do like these kind of videos, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell when you do, so you get notified of any of my uploads. And I'll see you in the next video.